Alright, welcome to the Captain Fishbeard YouTube channel. I'm Tom's left hand. Now, you may have seen me doing some drawing on the channel recently. Now, I wasn't very good at that, but here's what I am good at. Ventriloquism. Watch this. There. That was great, wasn't it? Oh, okay. Bye.
Thanks to my left hand for that interesting introduction. So here we go. I'm inking a pre-drawn sketch here, which I've sketched out in blue pencil. Now, blue pencil is something you may have seen in other artists' work. It's used mainly because once an image is scanned in, you can get rid of the blue much more easily than you would a normal sort of grey or black pencil line. So a lot of comic artists use it before they're inking with obviously their black. So I'm inking this one with a brush pen as normal. It's a Captain Fishbeard robot, a Fishbot, and basically this is going to be our sticker without the writing at the top. I just did that for the for this image here because it makes it look a bit more exciting as a visual image. So slightly thicker lines around the outside, that always works very well, especially on a standalone piece. And yeah, otherwise it's done on a very sort of traditional basis, I would say. Otherwise, it's a fairly simple drawing, and I think that's a very important point for stickers, which need to be pretty simple. I don't really think that complex stickers work that well because they are generally quite small, and what they're used for is for decorating stuff that isn't necessarily going to be scrutinised at close range. Keep it bold, keep it simple when you're knocking up your stickers or designing those. So that is pretty much all of the detail on the fish bot. I will just go through and do a little bit on the writing as well, just to make it a more complete image. And in this half of the video, this is part 1 of 2, I'm going to show you also how to prepare the file afterwards once it's been sort of scanned in. Actually, I'm not actually using a scanner. If you want to do this very, very precisely, you should be using a document scanner. But it is also very easily done with a photograph. I've literally just got my mobile phone and taken a photograph of this image that I'm drawing now, and sent that to myself on an email. So it's on there on my computer to work with from there. So you don't actually have to have a scanner. Yeah, it's very, very easy to do with just a photograph. As long as you can see all the black outlines, you can work with that, and you'll see from the next stage that it's actually a very, very simple process. Here is the next stage. If you are going to do this on Photoshop, as I am doing, I've left all the processes in here for you to copy. So if you wanted to copy this is probably not the most efficient way of doing it, but this is the only way that I could figure out how to make this actually happen using the curves tool in Photoshop. Other applications will be able to do this as well, very, very easily. So I'm using some of the channels on there as well. Basically what you want is to get rid of all the blue lines, as we were sort of alluding to earlier on, and be left with some sort of thick black outlines, to just the inking that I did a moment ago. That's exactly what we're going to need, and then we can digitally colour it over, which I'll show you in the next video. So that's what we want, and that's what we're achieving right here. There we go, so nice black outlines. I'll show you the rest next time.